welcome to Wipeout, and we have 4 contestants. 2 will make it to the last round, but one will win $1,000,000, but all will wipe out. Okay, so let's see who our first contestant is. Okay. Now point it over here. Okay. Hi, I'm Pete, and I'm really a big fan of Wipeout, so I just thought I would join the thing. And that's a good idea. So let's get the thing started, shall we? Okay, so first, let's go. Whoa! That was a big one. Replay. Whoa! Okay, so next we have the big balls. And also, now let's hit it. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, that's our first contestant to make it across the big balls. Boom. To the finish line. Yes. She might be moving around on to the next round. Ow. Okay, let's see our next contestant. It's Luigi. So, what do you do for a living? Well, I used to be an acrobat, but I changed to just being a life of saving. And you should see my brother. He also wants to come on Wipeout. Woohoo! Hey, so which one of y'all are gonna go first? Him. Ow! Me. Okay, so let's get this thing started, shall we? Now, on to the big balls, huh? Whoa! Sucks. Now, up to the can, he goes. Boom! Go. He gets on the platform, yes. He might be moving to the next round, maybe. Okay. Next up, we have his brother, Luigi. He doesn't talk to the person. Okay, let's go to the big balls now. Whoa! Ow! Get on the big ball. Slash. Now he's loading out of the cannon. Boom! Onto the platform, and he might be moving on to the next round. Okay, next up we have Yoshi, a little dinosaur. So what do you do for a living? I am Mario and Luigi. Really? So do I. Oh, so all of y'all are heroes? Yeah, well, pretty much not her. She's who we rescue. Okay, so let's get this thing started, okay? Okay. Yoshi stays still and he doesn't wipe out. Let's go to the next one, shall we? Boom, splash. Looks like he's made 2 big balls. Now we're doing a replay. Boom, boom. Okay, let's move on. He loads in the cannon. Boom. And let's get to the finish line. And let's see who's moving on to the wipeout zone. First we have Peach, and she's slightly the nice one. And next up, who's moving to? Who else is moving commercials, which you just do advertisements of yourself. You can do anything, okay? Any advertisement of yourself. You can't turn it around where it's
When your dogs are hungry, buy dog food. Dog food.
Okay, keep doing good commercials. Okay, keep doing good commercials. Ooh, buy a Christmas tree?
When it's Christmas time, get a Christmas tree. Christmas trees. They make Christmas fun.
Good, that's a good one. What else do you want to do for a commercial? One more commercial.
Kids playing baseball. Watch kids play baseball.
Okay, good. Now. Okay, so now we're in the wipeout zone. Now let's start with Peach. Wait, no, not Peach. Mario. Let's see how his thing's going. Let's see. He didn't wipe out on the big balls, and he touched the little balls. So let's see what he's gonna do this time. Splash. Now let's swim back to the platform. Okay, so here, almost to the finish already. So let's see what he does. Yes, he's in it. Now jump. He's out. Yes, good. Let's see what Peach has got to say about this. Let's see how her day feels. Let's see. She got 3rd place, but maybe not this time. Let's see how she does. Ready? Do, 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 do. Boom. Flat. Okay. Let's see what she has to do over here. That's it. Okay. Yes, she made it across. Peach, you just won wipeout! Yeah! Now more commercials. Okay, more commercials. Then it's okay. Do another commercial.
For hitting nails, own a hammer. Hammers, they hit nails. Pink iPhones, for the pink in your life.
Next. Another dog food one. This time. Do it. Do it the commercial.
Chairs. Everyone needs a chair. When your feet are tired and you need to sit, get a chair. Chairs. Chairs.
Okay, now it's almost
Chairs.
Okay.
Green chairs. Orange chairs.
Okay.
Pink chairs. Dog hairs. Chairs.
Now it's time to show what the $1 million look like. Let's show you
It's like
what
a
the $1
mess.
million look like. Ta-da! A big pile of jewels. Even better, what's inside the pile of jewels. And you can find it. I want to find it. This is a surprise inside the jewels. What is it? I can't believe my eyes. That is a surprise. You mean yes, you get to give it back to the queen, to the king, and get paid $1,000. That's how it was a prize. So I don't get the jewels? Of course you get the jewels. So I can put them back in a bucket and leave it have it.